Concrete delivery pipelines are the primary working force of concrete truck pumps, consisting of straight pipelines and bends, which are connected by clamps. The pipeline is supported on the folding boom of concrete truck pumps, and the pumping system pumps concrete through the pipeline to the corresponding position. If both ends of a straight pipeline are connected to the bends, when the concrete flows into the bend due to the sudden change in flow direction, will cause the straight pipeline, in which close to the bends will be under more operation. So there are 3 highly wear-resistant high-chromium cast iron sleeves arranged at both ends of the straight pipeline to reinforce the locally worn points. The straight pipeline consists of an outer tube and an inner tube, and 2 reinforced wear-resistant sleeves at both ends.